To measure the coordinates of a point, tap the Coordinates tool. A preview appears of a glowing point and its coordinates. Tap or drag to place the point. I want to measure the coordinates of point A, so I'll tap point A to attach the points. The tool is complete. The coordinates of point A appear here. When I drag point A, its coordinates are automatically updated. This same approach applies to using the Abscissa tool and the Ordinate tool. The Abscissa tool reports the x-coordinate of a point, and the Ordinate tool reports its y-coordinate. Here, I'm using the Abscissa tool to find the x-coordinate of point B.